Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to download your Barclays bank statements directly into Excel for 2025. Whether you're managing your budget, tracking expenses, or preparing taxes, this step-by-step guide will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and head to the Barclays website. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Log in with your username and password. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts overview. Select the specific account you want statements for, like your current or savings account. Now, look for the Statements or Downloads section, usually found in the menu or dashboard. In the Statements area, choose the date range or specific statement you need. Barclays offers various formats, but for Excel compatibility, go with CSV or Excel file options. Click Download and save the file to your computer, maybe your Downloads folder for easy access. Next, open Microsoft Excel. If you're using Excel 2025 or later, go to the Data tab and select From Text, CSV, or Get Data from File. Browse to the downloaded file and import it. Excel will automatically detect the columns, like date, description, and amount, making your data ready to use. If you run into any formatting issues, such as misaligned columns, use Excel's tools like Text to Columns or adjust the data types manually. This ensures your statements are clean and easy to analyze. And there you have it. Your Barclays statements are now in Excel. This method is straightforward and works great for 2025's updated banking interfaces. If you follow these steps, you'll be a pro at handling your finances. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.